रिकॉर्डिंग चालू कर. Hey guys, welcome to another video of Euro Buddies. It's a very hot morning. Today we'll be showing you where to shop in Milan. This is part one of many such videos to come. Today we are standing in one of the most busiest streets in Milan and one of the most popular ones, of course. It's near Duomo, and we want to show you how things are going back on track post-COVID. So stay tuned. If people of Italy love something more than food and wine, it is shopping. And anything between 15 to 40 euros is considered affordable here. In Italy, there are two sale seasons, February, March and July and August. For today's video, we are on the street of Via Torino to the left of Duomo Square, which can be reached by the underground metro, the Red Line. The shopping is divided into 5 sections and we begin with fast fashion clothing. We wanted to start with the most popular Italian fast fashion brand among Indians, United Colors of Benetton. It has almost 5,000 stores worldwide. Another popular Italian clothing company is OVS. It is almost 50 years old. It mostly has stores in Europe and accounts for about 5% of Italian clothing retail market. Economic but good quality. Adjacent to it is the most popular fast fashion brand in the world, Zara. Compared to Indian Zara stores, you may find the products here are a bit more expensive. Another popular store is Pimki. It is a French women fashion brand. These buildings where these stores are follow the traditional Italian architecture. Italy takes pride in its artistic history. This street is well connected via trams and buses and also links Duomo and Navili, the nightlife of Milan. Dixie, this is another Italian women clothing brand renowned for its retro-inspired garments. And next to it is the popular Swiss fast fashion brand Tallywale. Guess the popular American brand is also on the same street. Across the street is the Italian retail brand Terra Nova with up to 70% off in this season. This is more or less like the big bazaar of Italy. This street hosts the popular UK fast fashion brand Accessories and also hosts Japanese fashion brand Muji. We close this section with Italian fast fashion brand Geox, which is most popularly known for its breathable fabrics. You can also shop for beauty, body care and accessories on the same street. You can find the American Cosmetics NYX Professional and Lush, the UK bath company known for its organic bath products. I love the scented bath bomb of Lush, a must buy. Across the street stands its competitor, the American brand Bath and Body Works. The street also has Kiehl, the American cosmetic brand specializing in skin, hair and body care products. Of course, this section is incomplete without the mention of Sephora, the French personal care and beauty store. Right next to it is Pandora, the Danish fashion jewelry store. Among cosmetics, the Italian brands like Kiko Milano, Wycombe Cosmetics are also on the same street. Right next to which is Parfois, the Portuguese women accessories brand. Talking of accessories, you can also find the affordable eyewear brand Now. And yes, we did not miss the ladies' favorite, MAC, the Canadian cosmetic brand. Here we have a small store that sells the necessary accessory of today, the masks. Closing the section with the natural Italian cosmetic brand Bottega Verde. Moving over to the section of shoes in the street, you will find AW Lab, subsidiary of Swiss company Bata, known for its sport shoes. Next is Store in Milan, which has been serving Italian customers for over 50 years and is popular among the youth. Tresse is a retail outlet which sells all the popular sports brands at a competitive price. The street opens up to the favorite and affordable lingerie and beachwear brands for women folk. Oysho, the popular Spanish brand. Intimissimi, the popular Italian brand for women. A well-known American brand, Victoria's Secret. Another competitive Italian brand, Calzedonia. Intimissimi Uomo for men. And Tazenis, the popular Italian brand. Lastly, for all those people who love to explore the street shops and fill their bags with local souvenirs, you won't be disappointed in Milan. On the corner of popular buildings and streets, you will find cheap fashion jewelry, clothes, bags, caps, keychains, magnets, and so much more to fill your bags while traveling to Milan. We took a roundabout of the whole street and close in with the beautiful view of Duomo. While me and my friend go and have a gelato, please let us know down in the comments what did you like about the video and what else would you like to watch. Till next time, have a nice evening.